If you're looking for the perfect frying pan that offers durability, ease of use, and exceptional cooking performance, look no further than this Vinchef Nonstick Frying Pan. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or someone who enjoys cooking every now and then, this 9.5-inch skillet will quickly become your go-to kitchen companion. Let's dive deep into what makes this frying pan stand out. Why you should choose the Vinchef Nonstick Frying Pan. One of the standout features of this frying pan is its anti-scratch technical coating, imported from Germany. It is engineered to withstand the most rigorous cooking conditions, offering an ultra-smooth, non-stick surface that is resistant to scratches. Whether you're using metal utensils, wooden spatulas, or silicone tools, you'll find that the pan remains in top condition for a long time, giving you value for your money. Forget about the dreaded post-cooking cleanup. The Vinchef frying pan is incredibly easy to clean with just warm water, soap, and a soft towel. It has a no-rivet design, which eliminates hard-to-reach areas where food can get stuck. As a result, washing this skillet becomes a simple task, and you can spend more time enjoying your meals and less time scrubbing dishes. Quick and easy cleanup, a dream come true. This frying pan is made with high-quality aluminum die casting, ensuring excellent heat retention and durability. Its sturdy construction allows it to endure high temperatures without warping, making it suitable for daily use. The PFOA/PTFE-free material also guarantees that no harmful toxins will leach into your food. Safe cooking, guaranteed. Whether you're using a gas stove, electric cooktop, or induction burner, the Vinchef Nonstick Frying Pan has got you covered. Its flat and thick bottom distributes heat evenly, preventing any hot spots, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection every time. Plus, it's perfect for all types of cooking, from frying eggs to sautéing vegetables and even searing meats. The ergonomically designed handle of this frying pan is crafted from bakelite, a material that is heat-resistant and comfortable to hold. The sleek wood-grain design not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also ensures that the handle remains cool to the touch, even during intense cooking. Whether you're flipping pancakes or stirring up a sauce, the handle stays comfortable, allowing you to cook with confidence. Are you looking for a thoughtful gift for a friend or family member who loves cooking? The Vinchef frying pan makes an excellent present for occasions like housewarmings, birthdays, or even Christmas. Its versatility and durable build ensure that it will be a long-lasting addition to any kitchen. Key features at a glance. 9.5-inch size, perfect for cooking for 1 to 4 people. Anti-scratch, non-stick surface, no more frustrating sticky food. Durable aluminum construction, ensures even heat distribution. Induction compatible, works on all stovetops, including induction. Cool, comfortable handle with a wood grain design. Easy to clean, a simple wipe down with warm water and soap is all it takes. Who should buy the Vinchef Nonstick Frying Pan? This pan is perfect for home cooks, ideal for everyday use, whether you're making breakfast or preparing dinner. Beginners, easy to use and clean, making it a great choice for novice chefs. Busy individuals, save time on cleaning and cooking with the quick and efficient heat distribution. Gifting, it's a thoughtful and practical gift for family members or friends who love to cook. Customer service and guarantee. Vinchef values customer satisfaction. They ensure all frying pans undergo strict quality control before shipping, and if you face any issues with the product, their responsive customer service team is just a message away. In case of any transportation damage, they will promptly send you a replacement, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Pros: anti-scratch, non-stick coating for easy cooking and cleaning. Induction compatible and works on all stovetops. Durable aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution. Ergonomic bakelite handle stays cool for a comfortable grip. Easy to clean with no rivets or hard-to-reach areas. Cons: hand washing recommended to prolong lifespan. Not dishwasher safe for optimal care. Why you should make the Vinchef frying pan your next purchase. Say goodbye to sticky, messy cooking experiences. Enjoy hassle-free cleaning with its easy-to-maintain non-stick surface. Cook with confidence using a durable, high-quality pan that suits all cooking needs. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.